So now we are going to enter into another type of subtraction method. Okay, we call it as left to right subtraction. Okay, and we also call it as spark subtraction. Why we are calling it as spark subtraction means, okay, within no time, within spark of time, we are going to write the answer for the subtraction problems. Okay, then two, and we are going to do from left to right, and we are going to get the answer within a single line. Here we don't need any borrowings, even we don't need Vinculum also, right? So for this type of subtraction, we have to discuss two main basic concepts. That is, the first one is match and mismatch numbers. So what are those? Match and mismatch numbers. Match and mismatch numbers. Now suppose 7 minus 4. Yes, I know the answer. That even I know that you know the answer is 3. But here my answer is not the concept. My answer is not the criteria. So what is the main criteria here? Okay, now you tell me 7 minus 4. Is it practically possible? Suppose I have 7 apples. If I want to give 4 apples to my friend, is it possible? Yes, I can give. So I can happily give 4 apples. Why? Because I am going to have the 7 apples, right? That means it is practically possible. When the subtraction is practically possible, okay, we call these numbers 7 and 4, we call these 7 numbers as match numbers. Whenever the subtraction is possible, we call the numbers as match numbers. Match numbers. Or we can call like this also. Suppose if the minuend is greater than subtrahend, if the minuend is greater than subtrahend, okay, then those numbers are known as match numbers. Those numbers are known as match numbers. Suppose if I say 4 minus 7, if I say 4 minus 7, is it practically possible? Suppose if I have 4 apples, can I able to give 7 apples to my friend? It is not possible. Practically it is not possible. So whenever the practically subtraction is not possible, okay, we call those numbers as mismatch numbers. We call those numbers as mismatch numbers, or we can call like this also. Suppose if the minuend is less than subtrahend, okay, we can call those numbers or those digits as mismatch numbers. If the minuend, that is the above number which we are subtracting from, okay, so the minuend is less than subtrahend, then we call those numbers as mismatch numbers. And if the minuend is greater than subtrahend, we call those numbers as match numbers. Right. This is the one main concept of, okay, left to right subtraction, that is spark subtraction. And what is the one more important concept of this basic concept of this subtraction is complements. So we have to discuss about the complements. What are complements? See, complements are simply, you can say like this: one complement is 9. That means we can say like this: for 1 to make it 10, how much I need to add? 9. So 1's complement is 9. And similarly for 9 to make it 10, how much I need to add? 1. So 9's complement is 1. That means vice versa. 1's complement is 9, 9's complement is 1. Similarly 2's complement is 8, 8's complement is 2, 3's complement 7, 7's complement 3, 4's complement 6, 6 complement 4, 5 complement will be 5. Okay, so these are the complements, right? So in this type of subtraction, we are going to use mainly these two concepts, that is first match and mismatch numbers and complements. Once again I repeat, okay, whenever the minuend is greater than subtrahend, that means the above number is greater than below number, or if the subtraction is practically not possible, if the subtraction is practically possible, those numbers are known as matched numbers. And if the subtraction is practically not possible, and if the minuend is less than subtrahend, we call it as mismatched numbers. And finally, the complements: 1 complement 9, 9 complement 1, 2, 8, 8, 2, 3, 7, 7, 3, 4, 6, 6, 4, 5, 5. So these are the concepts. Now we will go into the actual subtraction method, which is a very easiest one in Vedic maths when you compare with any other conventional method, that we are going to get the answer within a single line without any borrowings and without using any fingers. Okay, right. Now we will start the left to right subtraction, that is spark subtraction method, with double digit minus single digit. First we will discuss double digit minus single digit. Suppose I want to subtract 24 minus 9. I want to subtract 24 minus 9, which is double digit and minus single digit. See, in the same way, we are going to start them left to right, just like the Vilokanam method. So 2, drop it as it is. Is there any number below 2? Is there any digit? No, there is nothing. So just drop it as it is, 2. But after dropping, check whether the next numbers are matched digits or mismatched digits. Are they matched numbers or mismatched numbers? 4 minus 9. The above number, that is minuend, is less than subtrahend. Is it match or mismatch? Yes, it is mismatch. Practically, subtraction is not possible. So 4 minus 9 is not possible. So it is a mismatch combination. Whenever the next numbers are mismatched, okay, so we have to reduce the before number by 1. That means 2 becomes 1. Okay, now for the mismatched numbers, okay, what we are going to do now, you tell me what is the complement of 9? Complement of 9 is 1. So we are going to add the above number to the below number complement. What is the above number? 4. What is the below number? 9. But we don't need the below number, we need the below number complement. So what is the complement of 9? 1. So simply add 4 to 9's complement, that is 1. So 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. So my answer is 15. One more example. 36 minus 8. I want to subtract 36 minus 8. Is there any number below 3? No, there is nothing. So just drop this 3 as it is. Okay, but before we see, after dropping the number and checking, see, it is all time waste. Why? Because striking of the number. Okay, so why to do waste of time? Okay, so before dropping the 3, okay, before dropping 3 only, I'll check whether the next numbers are match or mismatch. Are they match or mismatch? Yes, they are mismatch. If the mismatch, 3 becomes how much? 3 should be reduced by 1. So 3 becomes 2. Just reduce by 1. Why? Because the next numbers are mismatch. Now, so next numbers are mismatch. So we cannot do direct subtraction. So what we have to do? Bring the above number and add to below number complement. So what is 6 plus 2? See, below number is 8. So what is the complement of 8? 2. That's why I am bringing the above number 6 and adding to the below number complement, that is 2. So what is 6 plus 2? 8. So my answer is 28. Next, suppose 47 minus 9. I want to subtract. Just, okay. Now we'll start left to right. So drop 4 as it is, but before dropping 4, check whether the next numbers are match or mismatch. Yes, they are mismatched. So 4 becomes 3. Now, since they are mismatched, we cannot directly subtract. Yes or no? So what we are going to do? We are bringing the above number 7 and adding to the below number complement. That is 9's complement, that is 1. So 7 plus 1. How much? 8. So my answer is 38. Similarly, suppose if I ask you what is 46 minus 4. So just drop 4 as it is. Before dropping 4, next numbers match or mismatch? This time it is match. No need of subtracting, no need of reducing the before number. So simply, if the next numbers are match, drop this number as it is, no need of reducing. So what is 6 minus 4? Directly you can subtract. So answer is 2. Answer is 42. Now, suppose 63 minus 8. I want to subtract 63 minus 8. So just drop this one as it is 6. Before dropping, match or mismatch? Yes, they are mismatch. Now 6 becomes 5. Now 3 minus 8. Okay, practically not possible. So bring the above number and add to the below number complement, that is 3, below number complement is 2, so 3 plus 2, 5. So my answer is 55. So like this we can do double digit minus single digit. Even we can take one more example like this. What? Suppose 43 minus 3. So 4, just drop it as it is. Why? Because next number is match only. If the same numbers comes below and top and bottom, okay, if both the numbers are same numbers, they are match only. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So directly you can write the answer as 40. So like this we can do double digit minus single digit. Now we will see double minus double. So now we will discuss double digit minus double digit. Double digit minus double digit subtraction. Now suppose 43 minus 24. I want to subtract 24 from 43. Now start from the left to right. So what is 4 minus 2? 2. But before dropping 2, check immediately whether the next numbers are the match or mismatch. They are mismatch. So 2 becomes how much? We have to reduce the 2 by 1. So 2 becomes 1. Now coming to the next mismatch numbers. Whenever you are dealing with this mismatch numbers, simply bring the above number and add to the below number complement. So what is the above number here? 3. And what is the below number complement? 6. What is 3 plus 6? 9. So your answer is 90. So again I am saying very important points. Before dropping the answer, okay, before dropping the every digit of the answer, check whether the next numbers are match or mismatch. If it is match, drop this one as it is. If it is mismatch, decrease the number by 1 or reduce the number by 1 and then drop the digit, right? And second one important point is, whenever you are dealing with the match numbers, subtraction directly. Just subtract the numbers directly whenever you are dealing with the match numbers. Whenever you are dealing with the mismatch numbers, bring the above number and add to the below number complement. So these 2 points are very important. Once again I repeat, whenever you are dropping the answer, check whether the next number is match or mismatch. If they are match numbers, drop this one as it is. If they are mismatch numbers, decrease the number by 1 and then drop the answer. And second important point, once again, whenever you are dealing with the mismatch numbers, okay, bring the above number and add to the below number complement. Then you will get the answer. If they are match numbers, simply direct subtract. Okay. Now, so once again, suppose 53 minus 18 I want to subtract. What is 5 minus 4? 4. But next numbers are mismatch. So 4 becomes 3. Now mismatch numbers, bring the above number 3 and add to the below number complement. Now I'm not going to write any complement here. Why? Because from now onwards we have to write the answer directly. So 3 plus 2. So what is the answer? 5. 35. 67 minus 14. 67 minus 14. How much? What is 6 minus 1? 5. But before dropping 5, check whether the next number match or mismatch. They are match only. So 5 will be 5 only. No need of decreasing. No need of reducing. Now 7 minus 4, directly you can subtract. The answer is 3. So answer is 53. And 48 minus 26. 48 minus 26. What is 4 minus 2? 2. But 2 only. Why? Because match. Now 8 minus 6, directly subtraction is possible. So 8 minus 6 is 2. The answer is 22. One more example. 57 minus 29. I want to subtract 57. I want to subtract 29 from 57. What is 5 minus 2? 3. But 2. Why? Because mismatch. Now this is mismatch. So 7 and 9 not possible. So 7 add to the below number complement, that is 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 9's complement is 1 only, right? Just I am directly adding that 1 without writing the complement. So I am just putting the complement in the mind and adding to the above number, so that I will get the answer as 28. So like this. And one more last example. Suppose 63 minus 23. So 6 minus 2 is 4 and it will be 4 only. Why? Because if you are getting the match numbers at the end, if you are getting the same numbers at the end, same numbers, they are match only. At the end, again I am saying, if you are getting the same numbers at the end, they will be match only. So 3 minus 3, so directly you can subtract. The answer is 40. So So like this you can do double digit minus double digit. Now we will see triple digit minus double digit. Now we will see triple digit minus double digit. See here, triple digit minus double digit. Suppose I want to subtract 342 minus 56. How to subtract 342? Okay, how to subtract 56 from 342? Same way, just start from the left side. Drop 3. Before dropping 3, match or see, I have to drop this 3 as it is, but before dropping 3, check whether the next numbers are match or mismatch. They are mismatched, so 3 becomes 2. Simply. Now 4 and 5 mismatch. So I will add directly. What is the complement of 5? 5 only. So bring the above number and add to the below number complement. That is 4 plus 5, 9. So I have to write 9 here. But even writing before 9 here, again I will check whether the next numbers are mismatch or match. They are mismatched. So 9 becomes 8. Now 2, 6 mismatch. So 2 plus complement of 6, 4. So 2 plus 4, 6. My answer is 286. Once again I repeat. Drop 3 as it is, but before dropping 3, match or mismatch next numbers, they are mismatched. So 3 becomes 2, just decreasing by 1. Why? Because they are mismatched. Why? Because the next numbers are mismatched. Okay. Now, so 4, 5, they are mismatched. So simply bring the above number and add to the below number complement. What is the below number complement? 5. So complement is 5 only. So 4 plus 5, 9. So I have to write 9 here. But even before writing 9, okay, I will again check. Every time I have to check before writing the answer. Next numbers, match or mismatch. Again they are mismatched. So 9 becomes here 8. Now what is 2 and 6 mismatch? So bring the above number and add to the below number complement. What is the below number? 6. And its complement 4. So 2 plus 4, 6. Once again I am saying I am not writing any complements below. Okay, actually this complement is how much? 5 complement is 5, 6 complement is 4. Okay, we are adding the complements to the above numbers when it is mismatched case. I am not going to show you every time. Why? Because right now you should understand the way how we are going to do. Right? One more example. 638 minus 29. I want to subtract. So 6, drop 6 as it is, but before dropping 6, match or mismatch? They are match only. So 6 will be 6. Now 3 minus 2, they are matched. Directly subtract. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. But before dropping 1, match or mismatch? Yes, it is mismatch. The next numbers are mismatched. So 1 becomes 0. Now 8, 9 mismatch. So 8 plus 1 complement is 9. Simply 6 not 9. Here 9's complement is 1. So I added the above number 8 to the 9's complement 1. That is 8 plus 1, 9. So I got 6 not 9. One more example. 748 minus 26. 7, drop it as it is before dropping. Match or mismatch? Match only. 7. 4 minus 2, 2 only because match. 8 minus 6, 2 directly. 722. 539 minus 66. So what is 53 minus 6? So you do one thing. Take these 2 digits directly. 53 minus 6 is how much? 47. Right? Or if you think it is little hard to do like that, one thing you can take directly 53 minus 6 and tell the answer as 47, or otherwise just drop the first number 5 as it is. Okay, so 5 mismatched numbers, so 5 becomes 4. 3 plus 4 3 plus complement is 4, so 3 plus 4 is 7, but next numbers match, so 7 becomes 7 only. 9 minus 6, 3. So your answer is 473.